Welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, sales manager here, and today I've got a short video to go over some options with you. We could talk about it being a bag unloading station option or maybe a surge bin option. It's kind of a hybrid of both because we're integrating them together, and so that's displayed behind me here. Material comes in FIBC bags. We've talked about those before. We've highlighted our bag unloading stations and a ton of different options that can come with them, but not all applications require the whole isolated frame and stand and monorail. Sometimes customers already have their hoist and their monorail in their shop, or sometimes we're talking about applications where they're going to use a forklift and they don't necessarily need a whole structure over top of it to hold the bag. Other applications could be we're maybe doing multiple unloading stations all with one monorail. And so for those types of projects and those applications, what we can do is actually integrate the storage vessel and the bag rest pan, which is a great safety feature for bag unloading because it takes all the weight off the straps and allows the bag to rest onto the pan so that if a strap were to break, it doesn't fall onto an operator. But we can take those two things, bag rest pan and a surge bin, and we can put them together into a very cost-effective single piece of machinery that you can install into your facility. So, if we really get up here right now and we take a look at this, we've got a typical bag rest pan that we've went over with before, and you can definitely check out all those videos. We've got our Untie chamber here. This customer didn't need it, but we could include an Irish valve. We also have highlighted that feature as well. And this specific one, this customer also wanted an additional access door, so we included that as well. But that's not always required. And so here, we could have several bag unloading stands and maybe a universal operator platform. This customer really only had one need for one bin. They had their own hoist mechanism that was already in their facility. So we were happy to oblige them with just supplying the storage vessel. And so this was a very cost-effective way for them to start unloading bags in a very safe manner. So for more information, please like and subscribe or hit us up at sales@ensigneq.com, and we'll hope to catch you on the next one. Thanks.